Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to break down Chainlink with you guys. We're going to be doing this from a fundamental perspective and also a technical analysis perspective towards the end of the video. And then we're going to be looking at some very important bull market take profit points for this asset to see how high this could be going in this lovely bull market which we're currently upon. If you're new to the channel, drop a little subscribe and hit the notification bell. You're never going to miss one of our uploads here over on Crypto Chester. Drop a little like as well if you could. Also let me know about your opinions on Chainlink. Now getting straight into this video here, we're going to be covering this from a fundamental perspective, so let's just start off with that. So Chainlink, the standard for on-chain finance. This is sort of one of the leaders in the crypto space here, talking about chains that are specifically for finance here, and they've actually got a lot of partners that are currently using this chain and using Chainlink here for very, very interesting reasons, which we are going to go into in a bit more detail very shortly here. Okay, so you can see they've had a lot of transactions here, and you can see why is Chainlink the global standard: time-tested security, universal interpretability, and world-class developer experience. So it's kind of covering all bases there, and if we just go over onto CMC, we can actually look at a bit more detail about Chainlink itself and why it is so unique. Okay, so founded in 2017, Chainlink is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts through a decentralized Oracle network. Now, an Oracle network, guys, is basically where you have different types of nodes validating transactions through like a decentralized sort of aspect, right? So the users who are going to be contributing to powering Chainlink in itself will essentially be either buying nodes or they'll be staking Link through a proof of stake sort of network here, and that'll be validating transactions as it goes, okay, and validating things happening on the Chainlink chain here and throughout the network, right? If you want to learn more about nodes and just about different types of blockchains and stuff like that, I will leave some links to some very valuable videos in the description. Okay, so if you see what makes Chainlink unique, okay, so Chainlink is one of the first networks to allow integration of off-chain data. Okay, off-chain data is very important. Okay, it's like real-world data integrations. We're talking weather, we're talking football, we're talking sports, right? We're talking finances, we're talking loads and loads of different things that is currently not on chain. It's actually able to you're actually able to access that off-chain data through specific smart contract creations. Okay, and what that does, that helps with many different things in terms of people building on this. And if you look at like Aave and Compound, for example, they are like, well, Compound is specifically there for lending people crypto and helping people out in that sort of sense there. So it'll be basically using the off-chain data to do that. Okay, very important stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much their USP and why they are very attractive here. They have got quite a lot of people using Chainlink at the moment here, and it is looking to grow over the course of the coming year, and as blockchain technology is more adopted into sort of the mainstream corporate world. Okay, so let's go on to a bit about the growth here before we get into the lovely price action here. So Chainlink has grown from aggregating and providing cryptocurrency price data to DeFi protocols like Aave, and you can see the ecosystem here has currently access to over 1 billion data points, securing over $75 billion in value through 1,000 project integrations with 700 Oracle networks. Crazy, okay, crazy. So it just shows that they have got a lot of things going on behind the scenes here, a lot more than a lot of other blockchains that we have seen here. And I know this isn't a layer one, it is built on Ethereum here as a decentralized Oracle system here, decentralized Oracle network, but this thing definitely has a lot of room for growth here, and probably another reason why Ethereum is doing so well. This is probably going to be like one of the leaders here in the real world data integration sort of space here. Okay. So yeah, let's have a little look in a bit more detail. However, one of the biggest wins Chainlink have secured is onboarding Eric, is an ex-Google chairman and CEO. Okay, so there's a lot of power on the board here building this thing and helping this thing develop, right? So yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on with Chainlink. Definitely one to not overlook. Currently priced at around at $14 a coin. It is hovering around $9 billion in terms of a market cap. That is not the all-time high market cap for this bad boy. Let's get into that. Where and how high did this thing go before? It actually got to 21 billion. Okay, 21 billion. That's roughly that's over a 2x to where it is now. So if you are looking at that in terms of reference to the price and what you could be aiming for if you were to get into this, probably looking at just over a 2x on your investment to get to all-time highs. Obviously basing it on them not having any more unlock periods and basically putting any more circulating supply into total supply into the circulating supply, right? So yeah, there's a few things you need to look out for there, and I haven't covered unlocking periods with Chainlink just yet. I couldn't really find that much detail on it, but they're probably holding a lot of it back for because it is obviously, as we said, the decentralized Oracle network. Now, in order for a decentralized Oracle network to run, it is done on nodes as well, and if people are doing like the proof of stake mechanism, they need to be rewarded for actually hosting it, right? So they will basically be slowly distributing supply out as rewards to keep the chain running. So I wouldn't expect massive token unlocks for Chainlink. I think the distribution is sort of set up that way, so it's just very gradual. And I'm sure there's periods like Bitcoin as well where the rewards and stuff will get smaller and stuff like that, just so they don't actually use up all their supply. Otherwise, the network won't run, right? Okay, so let's get into the price action. Let's look at some price targets, and let's look at how we can make some money with this asset. Just quickly, guys, if you found any sort of value right now, drop a little like on the video. It does help out the channel tremendously. And let me know what you think of Chainlink, whether you're investing in this for this lovely alt season. And if you are looking for some exchanges to buy Chainlink on, you can go to BTCC. Link is in the description for that exchange. It's a new exchange that I've partnered up with. And also go check out Blowfin as well, guys. Because Blowfin, they're a non-KYC exchange as well, working pretty much all over the world, and there's loads and loads of rewards for both of those exchanges in the description, so go check them out. Now, onto the Chainlink chart, and let's break this down together, okay? So you can see we've got all-time high for Link here back in May 2021 before the disgusting crypto crash of 2021, which was pretty brutal, to say the least. Marked the end of the bull market. So you can see here that it was actually up at around $53. Now, if we are looking at that in terms of our market cap right now, we won't get to all-time high, even if we do double, just because the amount of circulating supply here has actually increased here, guys, since the last run. So basically, that means that for us to get to a higher price, well, to the all-time high price, we need actually the investment to be in the asset, okay, which is going to be a lot more. If we were to get to all-time high market cap, it probably would be around $35. So that's probably the all-time high market cap for us there. And if we are going to be looking at all-time highs for this asset, which I think is completely possible here, if you are looking at other sort of assets here on CMC, you can see that Chainlink is actually 15th. And if you look at the market cap there, 9 billion compared to something like ADA or XRP or something like that. This thing does have a lot of use case, and it is being used, and it is very unique as an Oracle decentralized Oracle network, right? So there's definitely a lot of room for growth here. I do think a $20 billion market cap valuation is still underpriced at the height of this bull market. I think we will soar past previous levels. So in terms of an average, in terms of a target for this asset, I would probably be looking at, say we're at $10 billion now. I don't think we're going to be $100 billion. I think maybe $50 or $60 billion there. And that will basically be sort of a 5 or 6x on your investment from this area, okay? So that would be just at around $75 a coin, okay? So if you were to get involved now, and not to mention there's a lovely breakout period coming from resistance here, then there is definitely a move up here over the next coming months or so, okay? Obviously not financial advice, do your own research, guys, but Chainlink is definitely one that I would be watching here, especially with the Google CEO on board as well. If we are just going to do some measure moves quickly, you can see obviously we do have a symmetrical triangle chart pattern here coming up like so. This would be the measure move for the breakout point, and what do you know, that takes us directly up to just did that by fluke, directly up to that 50 or 60 billion dollar market cap level that we could be looking at for in the height of the bull market. So an answer to the big question that everyone's asking, how much money can I make and how much % can I make getting involved with Chainlink now and holding this for the alt season? My prediction on that is going to be around a 5 to 6x on your investment, which, hey, that's pretty goddamn good if you ask me. Okay, links in the description to everything else, guys. If you're looking for trading alerts, if you're looking for a trading community, if you're looking for a trading course to really jump into this futures trading and jump into spot trading and just learn a lot more about crypto, there's all the information over on Patreon. Go check it out, guys. Yeah, that is gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Hopefully I will see you in the next one, and yeah, peace out.